You had to cancel your holidays?
Maybe a few, yeah.
Because there was going to be huge games to be involved with, and you're clearly key man in Ryan Giggs' plans now.
Yeah, I think it's about, to be honest, obviously in the limelight a bit today, but it was a team performance, and obviously I wouldn't have done it without them.
That celebration, looked like you were about to take off at one point.
Yeah, I think even when it went in, I was surprised. So yeah, I didn't know what to do.
Because first competitive start, you couldn't have dreamed this, really.
No, I think just to get that start was obviously a proud moment for me and my family, and to get an early goal was just amazing. As I said, it was just about from then on, can we go and win this game and see it out?
So yeah, I think there's a lot of energy and quality up top, at that end of the pitch. Sorry, and as I say, DJ was the standout performer today, but I think it could easily be someone else next time. So yeah, it's exciting times.
Yeah, huge. Obviously, that was the question on a lot of people's minds. Would the team be experienced enough? But the lads have proven today that they've got more than just talent and ability. They're ready, and I think collectively as a team, really put it in today and got our just rewards, I think.
Two difficult games is going to be an important camp. I think that the summer camp's always an important one, looking back over what we've done in previous years. So that one's going to be important. Two difficult games, I think probably a lot harder games than today, to be honest. And as I say, we got the win, and we try and keep that going for as long as possible in this group.
Yeah, it's great. Obviously, as younger lads, I feel like we know each other's games because we played with each other in the younger ages, and then we're coming into a team full of quality with the likes of Gaz, Joe Allen, Ben Davis left back, the experienced lads. They carry us through. So yeah, I think there's a great mix in the squad.
What has the manager and someone like Gareth said to you? Left-sided wingers, done a bit in their career, safe to say. What have they said to you in camp? What advice have they given?
I think it's massive for me to learn off people like the gaffer and obviously Gareth. They've obviously shown a lot to me, and obviously the gaffer said to me before the game, go and do what you've been doing at Swansea. With Gareth as well, he just said just keep getting at the fullback, and that's what I did.
Second half they pushed. Obviously Slovakia got some great quality. The likes of Hamsik, obviously off both feet, can cause all sorts of problems. So it took every single man out there to stay focused until the very last minute. Maybe in games moving forwards we could get that second goal and maybe take the heat off a little bit, but fair play. Everyone stood firm, and a clean sheet is what we were after today. We knew that if we did that, there's every chance we'd get that win.
Are you the fastest in the squad? Is Rabbi the fastest, or do you take that time?
Me and Rabbi have a good race.
He chose me today, and I'm very happy about that. Yeah, not just me. I know, all of us, all the guys. When I think about, you've been at all of them, and you can name the players, and the players that don't get as much credit. Like a Varney or a David was they've blocked shots, and that record is down to everyone that's played in that. So Wayne gets the credit, and rightly so, because he's the goalkeeper. And even today made some unbelievable saves. But I think it's everyone that's been involved.